Amy and I are going to unearth the fennel bulb.
It's kind of akin to opening King Tut's tomb on live TV. You never know what you're going to get.
I'm shoveling.
This giant plant here, this tree I'm digging up is one fennel plant. Good job, Sig.
Good job, Mom.
Thank you. What's this? Oh my word. That's part of it. Roots everywhere. Ugh.
I'm watering the plant.
Here comes Ferg. Ferg.
Here comes the cat helping.
Meow meow.
See, yes, proof, fennel. I think we're loosening it up a little bit. I smell fennel.
What are you doing, Mommy?
Strong scent of
Strong something.
fennel.
Fennel.
Oi!
What are you doing to China?
Oh, there it is. Are we digging to China? Oi.
You got it.
Wow.
Pop it
Look
down.
at the coiled nest. I'm quite sure this is not the fennel you buy at the grocery store.
You got the fennel.